Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2013 Grand Caravan SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio, Uconnect 130 AM/FM CD MP3, air conditioning, front dual-zone AC, rear air conditioning and rear window defroster. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.